This modular power supply is available from a number of suppliers on eBay. As you can see, it is rated for a mains AC input between 100 and 240 volts, giving an output of 12 volts DC at 2 amps. I bought 4 of these and decided to test them upon receipt. All 4 without a load at 240 volts gave a little over 12 volts DC output. However, at 110 volts, one of them failed to give any output other than a quick blip of power. Not a good start. Undaunted, I put one of them into service, and it ran for several hours in the afternoon and all through the night until 5 o'clock in the morning, when I was rudely awakened by a mains fail alarm going off. This was the result: a full mains voltage plasma flashover. The primary drive transistor had overheated and desoldered itself. Checking the ratings of the transistor, it should have done the job okay. But there was one glaring omission in the design of this particular power supply: a heat sink. And you can see from the discoloration of the board that the device, before it blew up, really suffered. It also took out the camera that the power supply was driving. Not very happy about that at all. I opened up one of the other 3 remaining units. Can you spot the deliberate, or should I say incompetent, mistake? The PCB is single-sided. The 2 blue wires are the mains supply. The bit of track, which is a squiggly bit of track, has the mains wire wired on the wrong side, so it is not in circuit at all. Therefore, this power supply has no fusing, which could explain why it went bang. I checked the unit's loading capability. I have a load which is 12 volts and draws 1.6 amps. Now this should be a doddle for these power supplies. Remember, they are rated 12 volts, 2 amps. Guess what? It didn't work. The voltage dropped to 6.3 volts. And it wasn't until the current was reduced to less than 0.6 of an amp that it recovered. These power supplies, like the boats you will find in the harbour in Hong Kong, are Chinese junk. They are only suitable for 130 volt mains and are a fire hazard. You have been warned.